Hello everyone. Welcome back for another Anything Goes Saturday. This is where Vicki and I share ideas with you. I have decided to make some Valentine cards. I needed some to get to the shop where I sell my cards, and I thought this would be a perfect opportunity. I began with the Paper Rose Floral Dance paper. This is Floral Dance E, and I'm going to use this side. I loved this side. I cut that off because that's a strip. Paper Rose does that, and you can use that as an element on your card. I then took this piece, and this image was here, and I have fussy cut it out. I did not do that on the video because I figured you don't need to see me fussy cut. I have a piece of black for my card base and a piece of white. All the measurements are on my blog, and the link is in the information section below. I used the Ovals collection framelits from way back when, and I cut out a black oval. I pulled in some silver hearts from quite a while ago. And then I had this black and silver ribbon that I'm going to use also. So the first thing I'm going to do, and this will be a quick card since I don't have to fussy cut, although I think I'm going to have to trim my card base. For some reason I have, let's see. No, I'm okay. For some reason the others were off a little bit. Now this piece goes on here, and then this piece goes on. But I'm not going to put it all down because I don't want to have to take it apart like I did for the other two that I have done. And if you haven't, oh, I need this on here so I can see it just a little bit better. Those videos will be up in the next week or so, and you will see what I mean. All right, now this piece is going to go on here, and I'm going to put that on flat. Right, and I'm going to center it. And then this piece is going to go on here, and I wanted it to be highlighted, so that's why I added the black oval. I'm going to take some, oh, darn, this thing stuck to them. Okay, well, let's see what I can do. It's going to pull the backs off, I'm pretty certain. So, oh, maybe not. What I'll do is I'll see how far over. Now, see, this one came off. So I'll take it. I'm trying to not have to. Oh, that one came off. So I'll use it. And I think I can use one more right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in there so it doesn't happen again. All right, now I have to take my backs off. And I'm thinking I'm going to use the ribbon. Oh, those have already up. I need something there. I think I'm going to put a little one there. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe a big one will work. Let's see. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to cut this off, and then I don't have to worry about it. I can just pull it out when I need it. Yeah, that one works. I really like these 1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. I don't know. They're the smallest ones you can get. It's 1 something. Does it say on here? No, but it's the smallest that you can get. It's like 1 millimeter. Okay, now that I have all my pieces off, I'm going to put this on here, like so. I just thought that black made that pop. Now, let's try a bow. Now, I will tell you, this ribbon is stiff, so it doesn't like to tie bows. I got it. And I'm thinking a bow right there, but that's too big. The loops are too big, so I'm gonna pull them down a little bit. I'll go really low. There we go. Yes. All right, now I've got to cut this. All right. See, I'm thinking that just is so pretty right there. So let me get my glue dots. All right, they're on the bottom. And I'm going to put one to the left of the knot, one to the right of the knot, and this ribbon does not like to stick to the glue dots, so I'm going to take some glue and put it on the knot so that it sticks and doesn't come off. I'll hold it a few seconds. And I haven't put this on my card, so I have to do that now. Just be careful not to move that ribbon. And there's today's Valentine idea. And I went back to an old set. It's the Perpetual Birthday Calendar stamp set, and this had these hearts on here. So I took those hearts and I stamped it in a pink going down the side of the inside of the card and the envelope, just to give it some hearts for Valentine's Day. I hope you've enjoyed today's idea. Don't forget, measurements are in the information section below. Go check out Vicky's card. Link is in the information section below. Thanks for watching. Have a super Saturday. Bye.